A belt sander is a relatively common power tool that is used to remove layers of wood, metal, plastic, or other target materials. Belt sanders are powerful sanding tools that are best for sanding away layers of rough material before switching to a light-duty sander for precision work. There are many products available to choose the best belt sanders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WEN 6502 Belt Sander. The WEN 6502 is a combination sanding tool that brings to you the benefit of a disc sander and a belt sander. It's a stationary unit with a sturdy cast iron base that dampens vibrations and promotes stability. Ideal for most finishing jobs, this combination sander allows you to sand, trim, level, round, and smoothen your woodworking projects. The belt changing system is simple and quick. Swapping the disc on this machine is pretty quick and convenient as well. I also like that I can change the angle of the belt from 0 to 90 degrees. I like that the belt over the idler is exposed. This provides an ideal surface for sanding inside curves. Considering its price, functionality, build quality, and power, I'd say that the WEN 6502 is clearly one of the best belt sanders on the market right now. Number 2. Skil 3-inch into 18-inch 6.0A Belt Sander. This affordable handheld belt sander is a good choice for larger projects like sanding down a dresser, working on cabinetry, or refinishing a wooden table. It has a 3-inch by 18-inch 80 grit sanding belt that can operate at up to 1050 fpm. While this is a relatively low belt speed, the 6-amp motor drives the belt with enough power to make it highly effective at sanding thick layers of wood, metal, and even plastic. Users can take advantage of the built-in microfiltration dust collection system to suck up dust and debris while working to keep the area clear and unobscured by sawdust. This device also has an auto-tracking system to keep the belt centered on the sander and to prevent the sanding belt from slipping during use. Number 3. Makita 9903 3-inch x 21-inch Belt Sander. Consistent power is important while working with a belt sander because if the power cuts out or fluctuates partway through the project, the speed of the belt slows, resulting in uneven patches across the surface of the material. The auto-tracking belt alignment system helps to prevent the 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belt from slipping during use, while the included dust collection bag serves to keep the area clean and clear of sawdust. Users can also take advantage of the variable speed settings that range from 690 to 1440 fpm for increased control while they work. Number 4. Jet J41002 Belt Sander Machine. The Jet J41002 is a benchtop sander that's gaining a lot of popularity and some notoriety in the sanding space. The machine is popular because it comes with a 3/4 HP motor that rotates its 2 inches x 42 inches belt at 3100 SFPM. The motor has enough speed and power to help you with almost every task a belt sander can accomplish. Most of the machines that perform at this level are floor standing models. For this price, you can get an excellent floor standing sander, but if you're picky about it being a bench top, then go for it. However, be prepared to spend some time squaring off the angles and setting up the machine. Number 5. Craftsman Belt Sander. Craftsman is a world-renowned brand that doesn't need any introduction. It is known for manufacturing robust power tools and hand tools that offer high performance. Craftsman's belt sander has 3 positions over the handle that provides you comfort when using the machine. You can change the belt easily without using any tools. The belt sander comes with a dust bag to collect debris and maintain a clean working environment. The equipment is lightweight and weighs only 6.64 pounds. The compact and lightweight nature lets you handle and carry the belt sander easily. Craftsman provides a 3 years limited warranty from the date of purchase. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.